how to fill out G4 tax form or for employee withholding tax. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fill out the form for employee withholding tax. Now, if you're wondering how I obtain this specific form right here, all I have to do is just to pull up your web browser and then just simply type in G4 tax form and then choose on the very first result so that you will be redirected into georgia.gov, which is this one, and then just simply click this link right here, which is going to be a PDF file like this. So of course, the very first thing is the general information like your full name, your social security number, your home address, and it needs to be this format like the number, street, or rural route, your city, state, and zip code. Now below is going to be your marital status if you're single, married, feeling separate, or married. Filing joint, both spouses working, and so on and so forth. And then if you have dependent allowances, you can also input that here on how many. And then you're going to have to put that in total with the additional withholding. This is going to be for your claim. Now below is going to be the worksheet for calculation. Now below is going to be the worksheet Now, below is going to be the worksheet for calculating additional allowances. So they actually have a sample breakdown right here for single or head of the household, married, filing joint, or filing separate. And then under total allowances, you're going to have to break down everything here and input the total allowance. Now, exempt is do not complete lines 4 and 7 if claiming exempt. Then you just proceed into read line 8 instructions on page 2, which is this one. And that's pretty much it. You're gonna have to finish that out right here. Um, if your state of residence, you input that here, and as well as on the other tab. You're gonna have to input your signature as well, and then the date that you're filling out the form. And that's it. That's how you fill out G4 tax form for employee withholding tax.